In this video, I'm about to show you how to upload a SUNO AI song on YouTube. First, navigate to the web browser and reach the SUNO AI website. Then click on Create provided on the left side of the screen. Now you can provide your prompt in a given box. Here I've given a prompt for a song for two people who met for a short time with different plans for life. After that, it'll show you different songs and you can select the one that you like. Then click on the three dots and download it in audio. Now go to the CapCut application on your PC. Following that, drag the downloaded audio to the CapCut application. Similarly, drag any video to which you want to add the music. In the next step, you'll start editing the video by adjusting the video according to the audio. After that, export the edited video to your device. Next, reach to the YouTube website and click on the profile shown in the top right corner. Then go to the YouTube studio and click on the plus icon provided at the top. Here, drag the video and enter the details in the given bar. In the end, just upload the video and you're done. In this way, you'll be able to upload SUNO AI songs on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.